Look.
It's about that time. Nice, dude. Looking good. Solid black. Right here in this water and tear resistant bag, we got an X-owned Grail, previously owned by X.
Wait, he owned that?
Yep, owned it. Gave it to his friend who played video games with.
Oh,
He
this
then-
is that piece.
Yep, he then gave it to his girl.
Yeah, you told me.
That girl sold it to some guy for $60, and now it's mine
You told me about that.
for not $60. I think. Oh, let's go. It's wrapped in something too.
Open that shit, nigga.
Damn.
Open it.
Damn.
Open it.
I'm opening it. It's like dead stock. Look. You put adhesive on it, so it's like a brand new unboxing.
God, my ears are
That's
really
awesome.
bad. Dang it, I need a white shirt.
Let's go,
Nice,
dude.
can I wear this white shirt?
Sure.
Look.
There's the motion logo. Oh, you messed up my video. It's okay. There's the revenge thing. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna fit nice. Like that. Look at this thing. This thing crazy.
That's hard.
This thing's
That's like
crazy
when,
looking.
That's when Garrett had good ideas.
Exactly, dude. I'm putting it on right now. I can't wait.
Right, hey, what do you think about these though? This is a good size.
This thing looks
huh?
like it's about to fit
Is it
perfectly.
a good size?
Yeah. Stace?
I
Stela?
need to put some, what's it called?
About to rock something that X touched at one point. Dude, it smells like my other Grail, bro. It smells like Grails. How a Grail should smell, like another Grail. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Wait. This is awesome. Fits perfect. Exactly how I wanted it to.